Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our Python tutorial series, the next thing that we are seeing about is random. Random is one of the useful modules that you will use in your program at any time. By random, you can pick a number or a variable or anything randomly. To start using random, first we need to import it. Import random. In random, there are lots of methods, but we are not going to talk about everything. I'm just showing you some most used methods in it. The first module that we are using is random.random. This method will pick any random values between 0 and 1. In your system, it may be different. If I run it again, the value will be different. Here you can see it gives a different value. By using random.random, you can only get the values randomly between 0 and 1. But sometimes you don't need a value between 0 and 1. You need something more. For that, we have a module called randint. Random.randint. Here you need to pass two integers. One is the starting value and another one is ending. Here I am giving the starting value as 1 and the ending is 9. Let's run it now. Here it gives the value of 5. By using randint, you only get the integer values. But if you need to get the float values, you can use uniform. Random.uniform. Here you need to pass two values. I am giving the same 1, 9. Here it gives the float values as the result. If you need to get the values in an interval or steps, you can use rand range. Here randrange. Here you need to pass three values. The first one is starting and the second one is an ending and the third one is the interval. It means it need to be incremented by 2 or 3 or much more. Here my starting value is 0 and the ending is 20 and I need an interval or increment values as 3. Let's run it out. Here it gives the value as 9. It means 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are the values that it can able to pick between 0 and 20. But here by using these things, you can get only the values as a range format. But you won't get the values that you really need based on your choices. For that, here I have a method choice. Random.choice. Here you need to give the choices in the list. My choice is 2, 4, 7, 3, 9, 11, 15 and 8. Now let's try it. Here it gives the value of 15. The value 15 is in the list that I am given. It doesn't print the values that other than in the list. Instead of printing the values like this, you can also change the order of the values in a variable using a method. It's shuffle. Random.shuffle. It will shuffle the order of the values in a list of a variable. For that, let's create a variable. Here I am creating a variable as a and assigning the values in an order of 1 to 3. Here the variable is created with some values. Let's use shuffle. Here we need to give the variable name. Let's display the value in a variable. Here the values in the variable a is shuffled as randomly. Before learning about random, I said that there are lots of methods in the random module. Try it as your own. And that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.